I look like I'm about to be like, hi baby, put your lunch number in. Alright, have a good one. What's up you guys, my name is Cameron Daniel. Thank you for clicking on this video. I felt as though this should be the first video that I posted because I always get so many compliments and I always get asked when I'm out, is the ginger your natural hair color? Yes, but no. This is my natural hair color. We're gonna be fully transparent in 2025. I do have some traces of red in my natural hair color, but I just love everything to be so cohesive and on brand. So I'm gonna show you guys how I achieve the perfect ginger every time I color my hair. Sit back, relax, and enjoy because it's gonna be 4 simple tools that I use to achieve the perfect ginger every time. Normally when I dye my hair, so I would use Vaseline, but because I've had my hair cut for like 2 days now, my hairline is not going to be on fire. We're going to be using the High Color Brown for dark hair only by L'Oreal in the color Light Auburn H6. The very first time that I dyed my hair, I was a sophomore in college. Yes, I was a sophomore in college the first time I colored my hair. And the first color I did was red. And I was like, ooh, I don't hate the red, but also like, it's not my signature. It took me a few tries, a few trials and tribulations before I actually found a color that like suits me. It has like this little puncture. Once I found this light auburn color, after a few tries, I was like, yeah, this is the color for me. So because I don't have a lot of hair, I'll just do like a little swirl like this and tie the tube back together. So when the next time I recolor my hair or when I need to refreshen my roots to match the hair on top of my head, I ain't gotta go out and buy another one. This is one thing I like about this product. This is one thing I love about this product. I don't have to keep continuously buying it because my hair is short and I can save it, unlike other box dyes. And then we're gonna start the processing with the 20 developer. I don't really know how much 20 developer to put in here. I just let the ancestors guide me. You know how when black people be cooking, they be like, just eyeball it? That's the ancestors pulling out wrist back saying, stop, that's enough. So again, we're just gonna let the ancestors guide me through this, okay? That's the ancestor. That's the ancestor, okay? And now let's mix it together. Mix it. Yeah, back to what I was saying about the first time I dyed my hair. I was a sophomore in college in 2019. So I've been dyeing my hair myself for 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Dang, I've been dyeing my hair by myself for 6 years at this point. I went through a lot of trials and tribulations, and I never, ever told anyone how I got this ginger color. So y'all are getting the tips and tricks of me no longer gatekeeping this color from you guys. So please, make sure you're liking and commenting on this video and sharing it with whoever you need to share it with. Hell, even share it with L'Oreal. You know somebody who works for L'Oreal, send this video on over to L'Oreal. Yeah, so this looks like the consistency that I need, that I want. And like I said, because I don't have a lot of hair, this should be good enough. Let's put it on. Good freaking God. This camera almost fell. Glad I got good reflexes. Are you secure? You good? Because we can't have no more tumbles. Okay, so we got the mirror so that way I can see my hair in the back. I typically start in the back because the back takes the longest to process because the back of my hair is more thicker than the front of my hair. I'm gonna come back once my whole hair is saturated. My hair is fully saturated at this point. Just getting the rest of the little nook and crannies. And now normally what I like to do now that my whole head is saturated, when I have a little bit more hair, is comb through it. Like, I have enough hair, I guess, to comb through it. I'm gonna comb through it, put my little dye processing cap on, and then I think it says to let it sit for 35 minutes. Everybody always say I should like lighten my eyebrows when I do my ginger hair to like match it, make it match with my hair. I've done it once and and I didn't enjoy it because I look like a leprechaun. No shade to the leprechauns. Y'all do what y'all do. Y'all, you know, y'all got a name for yourselves. I ain't really got a name for myself. But that's why I don't do it. So if you say in the comments, you should definitely do your eyebrows, I'm gonna look at the comments sideways because I'm like, y'all really want me out here looking like a leprechaun. I done combed through everything. Now it's time to use the processing cap. Oh, I definitely messed up. The box definitely said I'm supposed to use a 30 developer, but like I said, I'm out of 30 developers, so I used a 20, and it's supposed to sit in my hair for 20 minutes. But I'm gonna do some black math here, okay? I don't have a 30 developer. 30 supposed to be sitting in for 20. I have a 20 developer, so I'm gonna let it sit for 40 minutes. I don't know if that's right or if that's accurate. We just gonna see what happens. You know, the worst that can happen is if it don't take. And I like these. These actually fit really snug. But yeah, so I'm gonna let this sit for 40 minutes. Or should I do 35? Let's just do 40. Set the timer for 40 minutes. Hopefully I have the perfect ginger when I come back. I look like I'm about to be like, hi baby, you know, you put your lunch number in. All right, have a good one. Yeah, the timer has gone off. It looks as if it's processed. It looks like it's processed enough. Let's rinse it out, and then I'll come back to you guys with the final product. And here it is. Now the 30 developer would have made it a lot more brighter, but this is nice. I enjoy this color. I don't hate this color. That's how I achieve the perfect ginger color. I'm giving you guys my tips and tricks and my secrets so that way you can achieve the perfect ginger color as well. My name is Cameron Daniel and I do all things beauty, lifestyle, and fashion. So if this is something that you're interested in, hit that subscribe button. Stay up to date whenever I post a video. When I do post a video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. If you are somebody from L'Oreal or you know somebody who works at L'Oreal, send this video to them so that way, you know, I can start getting monetized to make these videos. And I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay cute, stay blessed, and take care of yourself.